Hey everyone, if you're seeing sync conflict errors in AppFlowy, changes are being overwritten, or different devices are showing conflicting versions of the same content, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the most common AppFlowy sync conflict problems in 2026. First, stop making additional edits until the conflict is resolved. Continuing to edit on multiple devices can create even more synchronization issues and make recovery more difficult. Next, check your internet connection on all devices. A weak or unstable connection can interrupt synchronization and increase the chances of conflicts occurring. Another common fix is allowing AppFlowy enough time to complete synchronization. Large workspaces, databases, and attachments may take longer to sync than expected. Make sure you're signed in to the same AppFlowy account on every device. Using multiple accounts can cause confusion and make it appear as though synchronization is failing. You should also verify that all devices are running the latest version of AppFlowy. Version mismatches can sometimes lead to synchronization inconsistencies, and that's how to fix AppFlowy sync conflicts in 2026. In most cases, updating the application, allowing synchronization to complete, reviewing conflicting changes carefully, and using a single editing device at a time will solve the problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.